It is time for Summer Blend 2023 vintage. So I don't know if you're aware of this, but on the farming calendar, the 1st of June is the beginning of summer. As you all probably know, that the solstice on the 21st or 22nd is the official beginning of summer. But for us farmers, the calendar is a little more simple. June 1st is the beginning of summer. September 1st is the beginning of fall, when harvest actually does start for us. December 1st, the beginning of winter, and March 1st, the beginning of spring. So the 2023 vintage is something we're going to talk about a lot over the next probably many years, but it is considered by critics, winemakers, everyone in the industry to be a once in 20-year vintage. I've tried to stay away from saying best vintage of all time over the last 10 years because I've been given so much grief from my friends for having said that too many times. From 2001 to 2010. But I will tell you this, the Chardonnay we harvested in 2023 has the most, I guess what's the word, the most spectacular acid profile we've ever seen. So we have the numbers to show that. And the key was a long, mild, slightly coolish hang time or growing season. With a later than usual finish. I think we picked the Chardonnay in, I think the 16th and 17th of September, and normally we're right around the 1st or 2nd of September. So ideal conditions, incredibly ripe fruit component to go with that acid. And then of course with Summer Blend, we keep the estate Chardonnay in stainless for its entire life. And then we add 10% Albarino to it to give it that wonderful floral component in the nose and that beautiful sweet fruit, sort of peachy apricot-y thing on the front of the palate, which is really wonderful. Then the Chardonnay gives it that body and the finish and the weight. So it's a Chardonnay-based aromatic white wine, which is a category I feel we invented almost 22 years ago when we made the first vintage. So it's a really cool wine. The only wine we make that is actually designed to be drunk young and cold, kind of like a rosé, but this is a white wine. So really refreshing, perfect for the warmer months, which looking at my weather app, it looks like our first 90-degree day in St. Helena will be actually May 31st, on the eve of the beginning of summer. So it's time to get this wine out and to have it enjoyed. And as usual, this is a small production wine. I think about 225 cases were made. So there is not much to go around, so please jump on this and enjoy this deliciously refreshing, beautiful summer blend. Cheers.